So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vivek and I'm from Tinker Bharat. So welcome to the first session of robotics. So now everyone, if you have any doubt and any issue, so you can write down your issues over the text, over the comments. So now, as you know very well, today is the first session of the robotics. So now we will start the TinkerCad. We will start the Arduino session with the help of TinkerCad. So if you know, everyone just raise your hand. If you know, just drop a message over the chat. If you know about the TinkerCad, so please just tell me. I'm sharing my screen. Just wait. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, great. So is this my screen is visible? So in case of my screen, this is the TinkerCad platform where we have to use the TinkerCad and we have to use the Arduinos because this is the beginning stage of the robotics where we will use the components of Arduinos like sensors, like breadboards and etc. Okay. So now we will first of all we will search it like Arduino. Do you have any idea about the Arduino? What is Arduino? What is breadboard? If you have any idea, so please just tell me. My voice is audible. No. Okay. Am I audible right now? Last two session we had a session on TinkerCad and we performed one activity on breadboard. Okay, great. Okay, yes, yes. Okay, great. So now today we will discuss about the Arduino. What is Arduino and why we will use Arduino in over our in robotics. Okay. So in case of Arduinos, this is the microcontroller where we have a multiple type of pins like these pins. I just show you one thing. Just wait for 1 second. Like this. My screen is visible. So this is the microcontroller. This is the Arduino IDE. This is the Arduino Uno where we have to use to make the projects, and it is very useful for everyone. Okay, because it's very simple. यहाँ पे जो coatings भी होंगे, it's totally depends up to the textual coding and the block based coding. Here we have two types of coding. The first one is textual coding and the second one is block based coding. Okay, so first of all today we will discuss this platform like Arduino Uno, and the second one option is LED. Okay, as you already told me ki you had done with the help of activity on breadboard. So now today we will discuss how to glow an LED with the help of Arduino Uno and the help of code. Okay, so this is the microcontroller where we have a multiple type of pins. Like if we have this is the part of digital PWM pins, digital, and this is the part of analog pins. Here we have, in case of analog, we have 6 pins: A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. This is input pins where we have to connect the sensors. In case of sensors, we have to use these ports always. But now in case of output, like in case of if we want to add some LEDs, buzzers, display, so we will always use that type of pins like digital pins. Digital pins means this is pins in this is a pin in input and output pins, where we have to use output devices as well as input sensors also. We have to connect it. Okay, any doubt? So the digital pin is 0 to 13. Like it means ki in digital pins, this digital pins totally 14 digital pins, 0 to 13. And the same case is analog. Analog is in 6 pins. Okay. Now, if I want to add anything, yeah, if I want to supply, so where we have to use the power resource first, power resource pins. Like first one pin is V in, second one is GND, third one is again GND, fourth one is 5 volt, 3 volts reset, and IO refund. Okay. So in case अगर हम चाहते हैं कि हमें कोई प्रोजेक्ट रेडी करना है, लाइक इफ आई जस्ट गिवन एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट टाइप ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स, लाइक कि हम इस आर्डिनो की हेल्प से किस किस प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करते हैं और ऑल्दो किस तरीके के प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करते हैं. लाइक यू नो वेरी वेल, यू नो दिवाली स्लाइड. In case of Diwali slide, you know very well कि first is blink, again in a multiple type of blinking, like एक LEDs, second LED, third LEDs, continuous LEDs का glowing करना in a series way. But in case of that type of projects where we always use a microcontroller. So this is a basic microcontroller, जिस microcontroller के थ्रू हम किसी भी चीज या किसी भी सेंसर्स के आउटपुट के थ्रू हम कोड कर सकते हैं. Got it? In case of that, this is the black chip. This is 8 mega 328P IC. Okay. So now we will start the connection, and now we will start the connect to the LED कि हम एक LED को कैसे ग्लो करेंगे with the help of codes. Okay. So may I start the session? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, so please write down over the chat, so I will get to your point. So please everyone. Now in case, first of all, we will search it here. I just delete it again, and now I just search it here, Arduino, Arduino, and now I will select a normal Arduino. Okay, which part? My audio is clear or not? Is it audible or not? Okay. I think ma'am, Bandana ma'am, please check it your internet connection. But now I will again explain to you. These are the part of digital and the analog pins. In case of analog pins, where we have 6 analog pins, where we have to connect the sensors, and the digital pins we have total 0 to 13 pins. It means the number of 14 total digital pins we have in a Arduinos. Okay, like in case of Arduinos, in case of digital pins, like where we have to connect the LEDs, buzzers, display, like you have to connect also sensors, because the sensor is always in it is a working as a input and as well as output. Okay ma'am. So these are the parts. The first one is 0, it means RX. So what is RX? Do you have any idea? Please write down over the chat. What is RX and what is TX? Yes, please. RX is receiver and the TX means transmitter. So here we have 2 types of ports. Now we will connect always zeros to the receiver, and the one is always working as a transmitter. Okay. So now we will connect the LEDs. Now I hope you understood very well. Now we will connect the LED, but as you know very well, in case of connections, we will always use a breadboard. Okay. So now I will use the breadboard. yes. So as you know very well कि अगर the activity, आज की जो एक्टिविटी है वो है एलईडी ग्लोइंग एक्टिविटी विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोड. ओके, सो एज यू नो वेरी वेल, अगर मैं बात करूं इन केस ऑफ दैट टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी, so what we will use in this activity, we will use always, the first one is Arduino Uno, second one is breadboard, third one is LED, and the fourth one is register. Okay, so here I will drag again LED and as well as the register. Okay, as you know very well, LED has two terminals. So could you please write down over the chat which terminals we have in LEDs? हमारे LEDs में कितने terminals होते हैं? And what is the name of the terminals? So please write down over the chat if you know two terminals. Okay. So could you please tell me what is the name of these terminals? Anode and cathode. Really good. Okay. Anyone? In case of anode and cathode, anode is always positive and the cathode is always, yes, anode is positive and the cathode is. So now in case of LEDs activity, although you had done in your last class, you had done in your last session, in case of breadboard, जब आपने breadboard activity की होगी तब आपको already बताया गया होगा कि हम registers का use LED के किस terminal पे करते हैं. So do you have any idea? Yes, please. Do we have any idea about कि हम registers का use कहाँ करते हैं? T1, terminal 1. So what is terminal 1? Terminal 1 is anode or cathode? Because we have two terminals now. Yes, please, just think about it. Anode. Okay. So yes, we will always connect the registers in case of anode, positive. So we will change the value first of all, because you know very well. So this is the register where we have to connect to the direct anode. So now I just connect the Arduino and I just connect the register direct to the anode of the LED, yeah, positive terminal of the LED. So is it correct? So now could you please tell me कि why we will not connect the register into the negative terminal? हम क्यों connect नहीं करते हैं? Do we have any idea कि हम registers का always use positive terminal में ही क्यों करते हैं? We can also use it in it also the part of negative terminal ना. So do we have any idea? So just think about it. In case of that type of questions, you can also ask to the students why we will use always registers in a positive terminal of LEDs, because the Ohm's law, you know very well, V is equal to I, yeah, B proportional I. Voltage is directly proportional to the current. So here we will use always the science concept. Okay. So in case if I want to add that type of terminal, so as you know very well, cathode is directly connected to the yes, current flows positive. Very good, very nice, ma'am. Very so now in case of current, yeah, in case of negative, you know very well, in case of negative we will always connect to the ground terminal of the LED. So now I just connect to this wire direct to the, just wait, yes, again, this is negative terminal and this is पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल. So I just black down. मैं ब्लैक कॉम्बिनेशन कर देता हूँ कि आपके लिए थोड़ा सा इजीली पड़े. ओके, सो नाउ आई जस्ट कनेक्ट द ग्राउंड टर्मिनल डायरेक्ट टू द negative terminal. Is it okay? Yes, please. Everyone, if you have any doubt, any questions, so please ask me. Now what should I do? In case I just want to check, yeah, I just want to add the code in a pin number anyone, because you know very well, in case of digital pins, अभी जो मैंने बताया आपको कि डिजिटल पिंस में मैं ऑलवेज कनेक्ट करूंगा किसको? आउटपुट डिवाइसेस को, लाइक एलईडीज, बजर्स. So multiple type of output devices you have to connect over the digital ports. Okay, digital port means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Got it? But now this is the pin, digital PWM pins. Yeah, PWM. So do you know, do you have any idea about the PWM? इसका फुल फॉर्म या इसका कुछ आपको आइडिया है? Do we have any idea? What is PWM? Please write down over the chat. Then I will explain what is PWM and what is pulse width modulation. Okay. Always Arpit sir. It's really great, sir. Bhagishree ma'am, Arpit sir, Rishika ma'am. It's totally good. It's totally nicer. Nice, ma'am. So in case of pulse width modulation, there are 6 types of pulse width modulation. Like you can modulate your pulse with the help of time. Okay. So here we have to use that type of PWM pins, like you know very well, like I hope you know very well the regulator of the fan. कि आप कैसे फैन की स्पीड को कम और ज्यादा कर लेते हो with the help of fan regulator. Okay, like first of all, if you click step 1, या 25%, then its speed is very less. But जैसे आपने क्या किया, उस रेगुलेटर को थोड़ा सा और स्पीड में क्या सेकंड टर्न पे लाए, देन जो फैन की स्पीड थी और तेज हुई. अगेन आपने क्लिक किया, थर्ड नंबर पर आए, देन आपकी फैन की स्पीड जो सेकंड स्पीड में थी उससे रेदर देन काफी अच्छी हुई. एंड द लास्ट वन इज द फोर्थ या फिफ्थ. नाउ द स्पीड इज 100%. So this is the basic example of PWM pins या PWM, कि आपको मैं समझाना चाह रहा था कि कैसे मैं आपको पल्स विद मॉड्यूलेशन की कॉन्सेप्ट को बताऊं. So this is the basic concept. लाइक कि आप अपने फैन के रेगुलेटर्स का एग्जांपल्स भी बच्चों के साथ शेयर कर सकते हो कि लाइक अगर फैन की स्पीड हमने स्टेप 1 पे किया तो इट मींस जो फैन की स्पीड थी वो 25% थी, तो जितना हमने पावर दिया उस पावर के अकॉर्डिंगली क्या हुआ, उसकी स्पीड भी उतनी ही कम ज्यादा हो रही है. सो द सेम थिंग. बट नाउ हियर अब मुझे क्या करना है कि मुझे एक एलईडी को ग्लो करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोड. सो नाउ आई विल कनेक्ट दिस एलईडी डायरेक्ट टू द direct to the pin number 13. Okay, so now in case of pin number 13, here you have the code option. Okay, कि first of all हमें करना क्या है, क्या सारी चीजें. So I will delete all these codes and after that we will start. Okay, so now everyone, do you have any problem in this circuit? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है समझने में? So please let me know. Yes, everyone, do you have any issues? सबको समझ में आया कि कैसे मैंने सर्किट को क्रिएट किया, कैसे सर्किट को बनाया? Here I will connect to the positive terminal of register direct to the pin number 13. Okay, great. Now आई नो वेरी वेल कि अगर मुझे कोड करना है तो सबसे पहले आई विल स्टार्ट द ओन स्टार्ट. ओके, but now yes, what is the significance of the numbering at the PWM pins? Yes sir. Sir, in case of that type of pins, here we have 6 pins, the alternate pins like 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11. These are the numbering, these are the significance, these are the sign of PWM pins. Okay, in case of that type of projects, like you will make a robot, but now you can control the speed of the motor. कि अगर आपको speed को control करना है motor की, robots की, then you will use number 3, number 5, number 6, number 9, number 10, number 11 pins. Like जैसे अगर मैं बात करूँ in case of LEDs, I have connected to the directly to the pin number 13. Okay, because I know very well कि each pins is a digital pins, तो इसलिए मैंने क्या किया, इसको 13 पिंस पे कनेक्ट, 13 नंबर पिन पे कनेक्ट कर दिया. बट नाउ इफ यू नो कि आपको क्या करना है कि यू विल कंट्रोल द स्पीड ऑफ द रोबोट, सो यू विल ऐड ऑलवेज पिन नंबर 3, पिन नंबर 5, पिन नंबर 6, पिन नंबर 9, पिन नंबर 10 एंड द पिन नंबर 11. देयर आर 6 टाइप ऑफ PWM पिंस, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 और 11 पिंस. गॉट इट सर? Any doubt? Yes, please. Any doubt, sir? Okay. So now, in case of that type of coding, first of all, we will always to give the command like कि always हम क्या करते हैं, start करते हैं conditions लगाकर. So like here, we will always click on a control and we will start the on start progress. Okay. And after that, I will use forever condition. Like if I want to add, या मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं इस एलईडी को चलता रहने दो. ओके, फॉरएवर, हमेशा, क्योंकि हम कोडिंग में क्या कर सकते हैं सर, लाइक इफ अगर मैं बात करूं मैनुअली कि मुझे क्या करना है, एलईडी को ऑन ऑफ करना है, तो आई विल क्लिक ऑन अ बटन ना, आई विल प्रेस ऑन अ बटन ना, देन लाइट इज ऑन. जैसे मैंने बटन को ऑफ किया, देन लाइट इज अगेन ऑफ. सो द सेम कंडीशन हियर वी विल यूज ऑलवेज, लाइक we will always use forever. But now in case of LEDs, here we have 6 type of blocks. First is output, control, input, mass, notation, and the variables. So as you know very well, LED is the output device, so we will click on a output option and we will drag the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, which block we will use. So we will click this one option. Okay, and we also take the, now this is the condition of high, like कि आप चाहते हो कि अपने एलईडी को ग्लो करने के लिए सिंपल, like I'm just clicking on a start simulation. Now the LED is glowing. मैं इसको थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे ट्रैक कर देता हूँ. Just wait, start, stop. Like मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं स्टार्ट सिमुलेशन पे क्लिक करता हूँ, नाउ आफ्टर दैट आई विल कनेक्ट टू द, आई विल क्लिक ऑन ऑप्शन कोड. कि मैंने क्या किया, मैंने सिर्फ एक बिल्ट इन ऑप्शन दिया है. बिल्ट इन मतलब पिन नंबर 13, दिस इज द बिल्ट इन फंक्शन. ओके, नाउ आई वांट टू ऑफ दिस एलईडी, सो व्हाट शुड आई डू. अगर मुझे एलईडी को ऑफ करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोड, देन व्हाट शुड आई डू. कुड यू प्लीज राइट डाउन ओवर द चैट कि मुझे क्या करना होगा कोड में. in case here we have the two options. The first one is high and the second one is low. If I want to add, yeah, if I want to LED will off, that what should I do? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए कोडिंग में? So do you have any idea? We have to click over the low option and now we will click on a start simulation again. Yes, low पे रखना है. Good. So now in case जैसे मैंने low पे रखा है, LED is also off. But now if I want कि now I will change the pin. Okay. Just wait. Yes. Now I will add this LED pin number 1. Okay. Now what should I do? If I will click on a high option, then is it glowing or not? Just tell me कि मैंने कनेक्शन सही कर दिया बट कोडिंग भी सही किया था लास्ट टाइम. मैंने सिर्फ पिंस को चेंज किया बट ये ग्लो क्यों नहीं कर रही है? डू वी हैव एनी आइडिया? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ब्लॉक. मैंने गलत ब्लॉक उठाया हुआ है. आई जस्ट क्लिक ऑन अगेन output option and drag set pin. Okay, and now I will click on a one option and now I will click on a start simulation. Now I will check it is working or not. Now it is working. Am I right? Everyone, if you understood, so please give me a thumbs up over the comment box fast. अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा सारी चीजें, so please give me a thumbs up over the chat box. Then I should understand कि आपको सारी चीजें समझ में आ रही हैं, and after that I will start us in a okay 1 2 3. Sir, ma'am, this is glowing. Now I will add one more coding in this project. Like if we want that this LED will blink 1 to 1 time. Okay, like first is on, second one is off, first one on, second one is off, again and again. Okay, so we will add here, we will click on a control and we will add the time for 1 second, 2 second, 5 second. We can always use 1 second. Okay, now after that again click on a output and drag second block, set pin number 1 and the value is low. Got it, ma'am? Got it, everyone? Now again I will click yes. Now मैंने क्या किया? Here I have to add the first condition is wait for 1 second high and wait for 1 second low. So now I will click on a start simulation. Just check it. Is it working? Any doubt? This is the basic project of Diwali slide. You know very well. Yeah, in case of robotics, yeah, in case of AC, you know very well. The application of LED. LED is always used for the indications. Like you know very well. If you have a laptop, yeah, if you have a AC, if you have a TV, so you know very well. In case of whenever you will click on a button, then it will glow a red LED. But जैसे ही आपने बटन को प्रेस किया वो एलईडी ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होती है? ग्रीन हो जाती है. इट मींस उसने इंडिकेट कर दिया है. So this is the basic part of robotics, because in case of everywhere we have to use the LED glowing activities, yeah, LED glowing projects. in all over appliances. Like you have a charger, you have a mobile phone chargers, yeah, you have a laptop chargers. Whenever you have to connect the laptop charger over the laptop, then it should glow. Which color? White color. जैसे आपने चार्जर को कनेक्ट किया लैपटॉप से, उसने चार्जिंग का इंडिकेशन देना स्टार्ट कर दिया इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ एलईडीज. सो दिस इज द बेसिक प्रोजेक्ट्स जो हम मल्टीपल टाइप ऑफ रोबोटिक्स में काम करते हैं. गॉट इट? समीरा मैम, इज इट ग्लोइंग नाउ? Okay, now if I want to make a more project like into the form of RGB, you know very well the traffic lights. So do we have any idea about the traffic light signals? Like in case of that type of project, you can also ask to the students. If you are teaching about the robotics, you can also ask to the students and you can ask the questions like, do you have any idea about the real type of projects, yeah, real life projects like traffic light signals? Okay, so in case of traffic light signals, you know very well, we have 3 LEDs. Am I right? The first one is, please write down over this, multiple color blinking. Yes, in case of that type of projects, we can always use RGB LEDs. Okay, but here I'm in case of LEDs activity, here we have multiple type of LEDs na? So in case if I want to make a traffic light signals, तो कितनी LEDs मुझे चाहिए होंगे? Do we have any idea? In case of traffic light signals, as you know very well, 3. Really good. Anyone? Please think about it. My question is, in case of traffic light signals, okay, in case of traffic light signals, there are which type of LEDs we will use in case of traffic light signals? How much type? We have always used 3 types of colors, 3 types of LEDs, red, green and yellow. But now I will use in the same position. Like if I want, the condition is like first is red is blinking, and after a 2 second green is blinking, after 3 second या 2 second again the yellow blinking. So can we try? हम try करें. In case of traffic light signals, we can always use RGB LEDs. Definitely. We have 4 pins in case of RGBs. We have 4 pins. But now, in case of LEDs glowing activity, here we have to use 3 types of LEDs. And the 3 types of different color of LEDs. Again, I have to connect this again and this. Now I will change the color. Okay, so this color is which color? Green. Okay, so now I will select the green, and this is color, I just click on a yellow. Okay, now as you know very well, you have already connected to the pin number 1, but which LEDs you can add? Yeah, you will already add the red LEDs positive terminal direct to the pin number 1 of Arduino. Okay, आपने क्या किया, रेड एलईडी को पिन नंबर 1 से कनेक्ट कर दिया पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल को. सो द सेम कंडीशन अगर मैं बात करूं ग्रीन एंड येलो की, सो कुड यू प्लीज सजेस्ट मी कि मैं ग्रीन और येलो को किस पिन पे कनेक्ट करूं? सो प्लीज सजेस्ट मी कि मैं किस पिन पर ग्रीन को और येलो को कनेक्ट करूं. आप मुझे बताएं, आफ्टर दैट आई विल डू द कोड. ओके, सो प्लीज. Am I audible, everyone? 2 and 4. Okay. So now 2 is green. Am I right, ma'am? And the 4 is yellow. So now, okay. So now, as you know very well, in case of LEDs, we will always use the registers. So now, मैंने registers को भी निकाल लिए हैं. And the value of the register is 220 ohm. So here I will change the register value. I will select on the ohm, and here I just write down 220. Okay. Now the value of the register red, brown, and this is brown, black, red. It means this is the 1 kilogram. As you know very well, we have the register coding. Okay. अगर मुझे रजिस्टर की वैल्यू पता करना होता तो so we will learn the color coding of the register. In case of 220, we will always use red, blue. Okay. In case of किलो ohms, कि अगर मुझे किलो में पता करना है कि 1 किलो में कौन कौन सा रजिस्टर लगा होगा, तो 1 ओम का क्या होगा? ब्राउन, ब्लैक एंड रेड. Got it? Now I will again change the value. First of all, we will click on ohm and write down here 220. Got it? Now, अब मुझे बताए कोई भी, please, anyone, कि where I have to connect the register of LEDs, कि मुझे LED को register को कहाँ connect करना है? Just think about it. Positive. Okay. Could you please tell me कि क्या मैं इस LEDs के लिए क्या मैं एक सिंगल रजिस्टर का यूज नहीं कर सकता हूँ? Why I am taking 3 registers on positive terminals of LEDs? Okay, positive. Okay, but now you can just think about it कि अगर मैं बात करूं कि मुझे ग्रीन और येलो और रेड तीनों को रजिस्टर को एक साथ एक कॉम्बिनेशन में ला दूं, तो क्या ये वर्किंग कब तब ये काम करेगा प्रॉपर? कि मैं इन तीनों एलईडी के लिए एक सिंगल रजिस्टर लगाकर इन तीनों को एक साथ ग्लो कराऊं. So is it working? Then it will work. We have to use in parallel then. Okay. But now you just think about it. In case of this pin, you know very well कि you have to connect the positive terminal of the register direct to the Arduino pin. Here we have used 3 pins. Different pin. The first pin is number 1, red is number 1, green is number 2, and the yellow is number 4. हमें डिफरेंट अलग अलग पिंस के लिए फिर क्या करना होगा? अलग अलग रजिस्टर्स की वैल्यू लेनी होगी. Am I right? इन केस ऑफ रजिस्टर अगर मैं बात करूं, हम रजिस्टर्स का यूज इसीलिए करते हैं यहाँ पर कि हम अपने जो अप्लायंसेज या जो हमारे कंपोनेंट्स हैं, हम उनकी ना सेफ्टी पर्पस के लिए हम उसका यूज करना है. गॉट इट? अगर हम रजिस्टर नहीं भी लगाते हैं तब हमारे चांसेस होते हैं फ्यूज होने के. हम उसी सेफ्टी पर्पस के लिए हम रजिस्टर्स का यूज कर लेते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ आई विल कनेक्ट अगेन and this. Got it, everyone? Now the same condition, black directly connected to the ground terminal with this terminal, and this is also connected to the this terminal. So now I will change the color for a reference, like black is ground, again black. Got it? Is it okay? Any doubt? Now I will connect this connection to the directly to the now I will change the color, like this is green color now, so I will select the green wire. Okay, for your understanding only. अगर मैं ब्लैक कलर कर रहा हूँ तो इट मीन्स कि ये मैंने सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए इसमें कलेक्शन ग्रीन और येलो कर रहा हूँ कि लाइक आपको समझ में आए. गॉट इट. नाउ आफ्टर दैट अगेन द सेम प्रोसेस. पिन नंबर कौन सी पिन पे कनेक्ट करना है मुझे? एनीवन? 3 नंबर, 4 नंबर? 4. Okay, so I will connect the 4 number. Just wait for 1 second. Now I will change the color, like this one is yellow color, so I will here add to the yellow. Just wait for 1 second. Okay, so is it okay, everyone? Do you have any doubt in a circuit diagram, like how to make a RGB platform or RGB glowing based activity with the help of LEDs? Yeah, how to add multiple LEDs in a circuit? Yeah, in a Arduino. Do we have any issues, any doubt? सबको समझ में आ गया प्लीज? अगर सबको समझ में आ गया तो प्लीज गिव मी अ थम्स अप, देन आई विल ओके कि हाँ सारी चीजें समझ में आ रही हैं. ओके, ओके, ग्रेट. नाउ as you know very well कि अगर मैं बात करूं in case of that type of coding, here we have already a option number set pin 1 to high for wait for 1 second, set pin 1 to low wait for 1 second. But as you know very well in case of RGB, in case of traffic light signals, कि अगर मैं बात करूं in case of traffic light signals where we have 3 types of LEDs, अगर मैं बात करूं in case of red LEDs, तो रेड एलईडीज मैक्सिमम कितने देर के लिए ग्लो करेगी? मैक्सिमम फॉर 1 सेकेंड या 2 सेकेंड, बिकॉज दिस इज द प्रोटोटाइप. सो हियर वी विल ऐड if the red LED is glowing, if the red LED is glowing for 1 second, so now I will delete this block, I will copy this block again and again. Okay, as we know very well कि अगर मुझे एक टाइम पर एक एलईडी को ग्लो करना है, देन व्हाट शुड आई डू? कि मुझे एक को हाई करना पड़ेगा, बाकी सबको लो, तभी तो मैं एक साथ एक बार में एक ही चीज को जला पाऊंगा, ओपन कर पाऊंगा. सो द सेम कंडीशन, मैं टाइम ले लेता हूं कि मैंने क्या किया यहां पर. हाउ मच टाइम वी विल टेक हियर, कितना टाइम हम ले? प्लीज राइट डाउन ओवर द चैट कि कितना हम टाइम इसमें ले सकते हैं अपने अकॉर्डिंग. इन केस ऑफ इफ आई वांट टू मेक, या मैं ही उस प्रोजेक्ट को बना रहा हूँ एज अ आप, तो क्या आप कितने टाइम लेना चाहोगे? कितना टाइम? 5 सेकेंड, 4 सेकेंड, 3 सेकेंड, 2 सेकेंड या मोर? So please write down over the chat 2 seconds. Okay, so here I will write down 2 seconds. Okay, now after that again I know very well कि मुझे क्या करना है in that type of condition कि मैंने भी क्या किया, set pin 1 is high and rest of the pins is low. It means कि red LED is glowing, but now I want कि 2 सेकेंड बाद क्या हो, येलो LED या ग्रीन LED ग्लो करे. ओके, सो नाउ अगेन मैं क्या करूंगा, इसको उठाऊंगा, set pins again pin number 1, pin number 2 and pin number 4. Sorry, pin number 2, pin number 4. Okay, now I will choose again 1, 2 and 4. Now you just tell me, अब आप मुझे बताओ कि now अगर मुझे क्या करना है, green LED को on करना है, then what should I do? Please write down over the chat. अगर आपको समझ में आ गया then, because this is the logic of the code. In case of coding, first of all we will learn about the logic. Actual में चीजें चलती कैसे? Take green as high. Okay, anyone? Green को high. Okay, again anyone? Just think about it कि actual हम कर क्या सकते हैं? Others low. Okay, nice. अगर मैं बात करूं high, but which pin high? Green pin high या 2 number pin high या 4 number pin high? Because you know very well ना कि green is connected to the 2 number या 4 number. But in case of machines will not understand ना, machines को तो नहीं पता ना कि वो green pin 2 number पर है 4 number पर, उसको कुछ भी idea नहीं है. You have an idea. 2 pins high. Okay, so now I will click on a rest pin is low, but 2 pin is high. Okay, for which second, which time, कितना time लेंगे हम? How much time we will take here? Again, so the same condition. हम time कितना लेंगे? For 2 seconds, 3 seconds, totally up to you. Now I will take 3 seconds. So now I will click on a wait option and I will select here 3. Okay. After that, again the same condition. Again, what should I do? Could you please, कोई मुझे बताएगा कि अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए अगेन इसके बाद फॉर द येलो एलईडीज, कि मुझे अब क्या कंडीशन और क्या ब्लॉक्स को पिकअप करना है? सो प्लीज राइट डाउन ओवर द चैट. I'm waiting for 10 seconds. Okay, low high. Okay, great, nice. Anyone? And please just tell me कि अब मुझे क्या क्या कंडीशन यूज करना होगा अगेन. Now what should I do here in this type of coding? In coding, take pins 4 as high and the rest low, then take timer as 4 seconds. Okay, anyone? As you know very well, the yellow is for the ready condition ना. अगर मैं बात करूं येलो लाइट की, तो येलो लाइट का जो हमें इंडिकेशन होता है वो किस पर्पस के लिए होता है? फॉर द रेडी कंडीशन ना, कि ना आप रेडी हो जाओ एंड आपको उसके बाद क्या करना है? मूव ऑन करना है. तो डेफिनेटली इट विल टेक अ माइनर टाइम. हमें अपने लॉजिक के अकॉर्डिंग भी सोचना होगा कि अगर मैं बात करूं ग्रीन लाइट, तो डेफिनेटली ग्रीन लाइट इट मींस एंट्री लाइन, कि अब हमें ग्रीन लाइन में क्या करना है? मूव ऑन करना है, हमें आगे जाना है. तो डेफिनेटली वी विल टेक मोर टाइम, बट इन केस ऑफ येलो वी विल टेक अ मिनिमम टाइम, a minimum. Okay, so that's really good. 1 second for yellow. Yes, definitely 1 second for yellow. So here we will again use set for 3 pins again and again. Now I will connect 1, 2 and the last one is 4. Okay, the one is low and the second is again low. Now I will use control and the time is 1 second. Got it? Now the coding is done. Any doubt? Everyone please just tell me any doubt. If you have no doubt, so please give me a thumbs up. Then I would understood कि आपको सारी चीजें समझ में आ रही हैं. Because everything depends up to your logic. In case of coding, definitely if you understood, so definitely you will think about your logic कि actual में logics क्या होंगे, what is the behalf of the logic, what is the logic behalf of the robots, कि robots के अंदर क्या logic use किया गया होगा. Definitely now I will start to the click. Okay, now I will check it. The first is red glow. second one is green glow, and the third one is yellow. Now just think about it. Now just check it. Is it working or not? Okay, so I hope you everyone, you all of you understood very well. If you understood very well, so please give me a thumbs up to everyone. जितने लोगों ने join किया, so please give me a thumbs up. Then I will again, because now the time is over, and your next session will be on Thursday. Okay, so please join the session on a Thursday. And in a case of next session, we will introduce again with the next, yeah, with the different type of projects. Okay, so I hope everyone you understood, you enjoyed my session. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.